The FIFINE adjustable low-profile arm microphone stand is a sturdy and flexible solution designed for professional and home recording setups. With a sleek, low-profile design, it offers a space-saving alternative to traditional boom arms while ensuring optimal microphone positioning. The adjustable suspension boom provides smooth and stable movement, making it ideal for streaming, podcasting, and voice recording. Equipped with built-in cable management, it keeps your setup organized and clutter-free. The secure desk mount ensures firm attachment, reducing vibrations and unwanted noise. Perfectly compatible with FIFINE K688, Amplifgame AM8, BM88, and other similar microphones. Product link in comments and description. Check out the related video.